Alright, before we get started today, let me just set the scene for some of the stuff I didn't get to film. Our chicken got out of its coop, and I chased it all around the cow's pen until I caught him and I put him in the chicken coop, which was a mistake, and you'll see why. I've caught the chicken. He's back. And I think he's attacking. Yep, better get out of there. Alright, I caught him. Let's bring him back to this coop. He's crazy. He really wants to get out. He's been running for like 3 hours. He's real tired. It's time to get out. Alright, let me show you some progress we've had on our farm. This was in the background earlier. We stuck our peas where the vines were growing the little sticks. On the animal side of things, we moved our cow to a bigger place to graze. And when he's done grazing in like a week or so, we'll move him into that field. How's it taste? We're having a staring contest. He's winning. Oh, I just won. Look at that. And now he's chasing me. That's nice. He thinks I have food. Watch him. Come on. Here he comes. I think he just realized I don't have food. He's still kind of confused though. We moved our chickens to a wider area. Hey, our chickens are starting to lay eggs. And now I'm gonna move our rabbit. When feeding our meat birds, 2 words come to mind: heavy and annoying. Alright, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!